Looks like Ben's delivering something. Let's see what it is.
980.
Okay, how do I open this? Samurai.
This one was 1900.
There you go. That's some ninja action for you. All right, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Okay. Okay. Champagne glass. Great. Okay, what's this? All right, a receipt. Congratulations. No one's interested. Next. A box with a foil logo on it. Good. A business card. Don't care. Ooh, shiny. Get that box out of the way. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Ooh, what's that? The Jumbo Luna Yellow Gold Execution. 2.35 carats of diamonds. Wow. Chronograph functions. Beveled glass. Crystal. Luminous hands. Guillouche dial. Moon phase and chronograph. What's that in the back? I see a warranty card. All right, we'll take a look at that later. Look at the facets on the crystal. Warranty card. Okay, what do I peel over here? Okay, let me try to peel this off. All right, it's a little tough, but I got it. All right, there you go. What else we're working with? All right, shiny little warranty card, sterling warranty. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, a shopping bag. Congratulations. No one cares. What else you got in there? A box. Silver foil logo on the exterior box. Good. Business card. Don't care. Get that out of the way. Thank you. Peeled a little bit of foam away. See a beautiful, shiny, piano polished box. And a limited production. Wow. Nekta watch with rose gold accents, fully iced out, flooded face and case. See the black polyurethane strap peeking through. You can tell they got the moon phase and chronograph, mother of pearl subdials. Only 7 pieces ever made exactly in this execution. Loaded with diamonds, natural diamonds. Look at the shape of the case, beautiful. Diamonds even in between the pushers and the crown. Art Deco case style. All right. What else we got? Anything else? That's it? Limited production, folks. Your friends probably don't have one of these. The only way to buy this is if you buy the NFT, by the way. You can't acquire this just like that. You need the NFT for this one. Anyway, all right, congratulations, it's back in the box. What's this? All right, you're gonna do the same thing all over again, or is there another watch in there? Let's see. Okay, I saw this before. Congratulations, move that out of the way, don't care. Serious, okay, I saw this before. Is there gonna be another watch? Yeah, there is a new watch in there. Same style, all steel. Oh, I see the steel band. And I think, oh yes, the crystal has a diamond-shaped crystal. All right, faceted crystal. I see the mother of pearl and the subdials. I see the silver guillouche. I still see diamonds in between the pusher and the crown. Respectable. All right, looks like they got it in the box upside down. The cushion's upside down, but whatever. They don't pay attention to details like I do. No big deal. I bet you didn't catch that yourself. Oh, look at the play on the faceted lens and on the diamonds. Good, good, good. This is a game changer because it has a stainless steel band. Okay, good. You put it back in the box. Congratulations. Have a nice day.